will Big G score tonight? Who is Big G? Let's turn it on here. All right, I'm absolutely filled up with air. You wanted me to talk. Here you go. And that's out.
Jesus
wow.
Christ.
That's not ladylike, Daddy. Sorry, you came to the wrong girl's live stream. You guys are gonna have to like try to catch my inhale. I can't. Get it off me! What is that? Is guys, I need to like kind of. You got a whiff of that? What does it smell like? Last one.
Three more.
For you. I'm gonna get these little casual ones. I was not expecting that. Got some bass to it.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Okay, I need to do my eyebrow.
1 second. It's between you and Cherry. Who burps better in your opinion? Me. Cherry's great, but
Okay.
this guy or girl, sorry. Yeah. I let out too much. I did. Literally hear me suck in the air. Let's hope the world never ends or I'm gonna lose my job. I don't know who reposted my live, but I appreciate you.
Fuck yeah, bitch. Oh yeah, dad.
Ooh. Yeah, it's so much harder when I have to like close my. 6'3". Not a.
Yeah.
6'3" barefoot. Oh. Anime, what is good? Could you? Ooh. And that is a farewell for. It is an awesome talent to have, I know. You're coming out quite long today.